Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to group columns in a pivot table. It's very easy to do. Let's say you have a pivot table here and you want to edit it. And one thing you can do, you can definitely go through. Let's say we have 2015 to 2018. We're really not interested in those years. We just kind of want to see some of our trends a couple years ago and then some of the more current ones. So what you can do is you can either add a filter, which is going to completely remove those columns. So let's say we want the ability to kind of pop open and close that. So what you can do, I'll close out of this here. You select the columns that you want to group, and then you right click on the drop down arrow here, and you can go down all the way to view more column actions, and then you click group columns E through H. You're going to see this line here, which is basically just saying these are the columns that are grouped together, and then it's going to be sitting over this column that is not hidden, because if it was hidden you wouldn't see the button to collapse it. So you just come and click on this negative button here and it's going to collapse everything down. So we've hit everything between 2015 and 2018, those years we wanted. Let's say you want to pop it open, you can just hit that plus button. It's going to just pop those columns back open so you can quickly see the data that's in there. But overall, say for presentation, you want to get rid of that, you can just hide that there, and it's easy enough to do that. You can just do that with one column as well. Let's say we don't want to see 2020. You can obviously hide your column there, but then if you want to see it later, you're going to have to go and unhide it. But this way, we just hit group column here, and it's going to hide it there. So now if we want to expand and see all of those columns and all that data, we just click on those plus buttons and all that is available to us. So let's say we just want to get rid of it though. We do the same thing. We click on that drop down menu here, go to view more column actions, and then you click ungroup column, and it's going to get rid of that one column if you want to do that. If you want to ungroup all of the columns that you group together, you just select those columns, click on the drop down, click view more column actions, and then ungroup columns E through G. And just like that, it is all ungrouped. You can do that with this other column as well. But again, very simple to do, very easy if you want to collapse and expand data in a pivot table, but also will work in a normal group of data. So something easy to do. Let me know if you have any questions about this, or if I can provide any additional information here. And remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.